Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, magluluto tayo ng Spanish style milkfish. So ayan yung unang ingredients natin, milkfish. Ayan, hindi ko na siya tinanggalan ng kaliskis. And then, ang ginawa ko pagkatapos kong linisan ng bangus, nilagay ko sa tubig na may asin at binabad ko muna ng around 30 minutes para matanggal yung lansa. So, for the meantime na binabad ko yung isda, nagluto rin ako ng white rice. Ayun, baka meron pa dyan hindi marunong magluto ng white rice 2022 na guys. So, you have to learn how to do this. So, ayan. So, this is how I measure my rice. So, I don't need a cup to measure the water. So, let's get back to the recipe of our fish. So, ayan, meron akong carrots. Binalatan ko na lang. So, kayo nang bahala kung anong style yung gusto nyo. Pwedeng pataas, pababa, at pakembot-kembot. Tsak lang. Ayan, nahiwa na rin ako ng dalawang medium slice na talong kasi lately favorite ko talaga ang talong. Hindi ko alam, ngayon ko lang siya na-appreciate. So, ito na yung lahat ng ingredients na gagamitin natin. Eggplant, carrots, lots of garlic, bay leaf. Gagamit din tayo ng pickle, olive, oyster sauce, peppercorn, pepper powder, and my own recipe chili sauce with garlic. And of course, salt, extra virgin olive oil. And ito yung bago kong paborito guys, yung oil ng Japan. I don't know what is that. Pero SNB ang nakasulat. So ayan, tinanggal na natin sa tubig ang bangus natin. So let's prepare. So ilalagay ko na yung carrots, eggplant. Ile-layer ko lang siya guys para hindi masunog yung bangus natin. Ayan, i-layer mo lang siyang ganyan. Ganyan, arty-arty lang ng konti. Tapos ilalagay ko na rin yung garlic natin. So kami guys, dito sa bahay, mahilig kami sa garlic. So ayan, kung sa tingin nyo medyo naparami, you can adjust. So ayan, inilagay ko na rin yung chili sauce and olive. So kontrolin nyo lang yung olive guys kasi pag medyo naparami siya, magiging maasim siya. Pati yung pickles. So just control, kayo na lang magtansa. Ayan. Ayan, paubos na rin ang aming black peppercorn. So, inubos ko na lang siya at dinagdagan ko na lang ng alternative peppercorn powder. Dito sa recipe na to guys, mas preferred ko talaga na peppercorn yung sahog. And then, ayan, naglagay na rin ako ng salt and then yung oil, Japanese oil. Just to let you know guys, spicy itong Japanese oil. So, you have to control it kasi naglagay na tayo ng chili oil kanina. After that, nilagay ko na lang din itong oyster sauce. So, ayun, control lang din guys para hindi masyadong maalat. And of course, the olive oil. Ayan, ilalagay na natin ang ating bangus. Layer lang, ganyan, para hindi masunog. Kaya, inuna ko yung mga vegetables and other ingredients. And then after that, maglalagay din tayo ulit ng eggplants, carrots, garlic, and other layer of our vegetables ingredients. And then lastly, naglagay din ako ng 1/4 cup of water para hindi masunog yung ating fish. Pero konti lang talaga guys. So ginamit ko yung Instapot namin guys, pero pwede rin kayong gumamit ng regular pot nyo. So ayan, i-pressure cooker natin siya guys. So saglit lang yan siya maluto. At this point, luto na yung rice natin. So after 20 minutes, binalikan ko yung fish. And ayan, chinek ko kung okay lang ba, hindi ba nasunog or something. So ayan, okay naman siya. Pero niluto ko pa siya ulit ng around 15 minutes. Kasi medyo marami pang tubig at hindi pa ganun kaluto yung other ingredients. After 15 minutes, luto na at ayan, ini-prepare ko na with white rice. Oh my god, it looks so good. Tingnan nyo naman mga besh, nakakatakam na yung tsura talaga.
Alright guys, so we are done with our Spanish style milkfish. So now is the moment of truth. Let's try it. Cheers! Wow! Ang sarap. You have to try it, guys. It's so delicious. So, it's combination of sour, a little bit sweetness, and spicy. It's awesome. I hope you like it, guys, and see you next time. Please consider like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you.